Hello everyone, I am Marcel David Barui, ID number 201153421, section PCI. Today I'd like to talk about binary search tree insert operation. So first of all, we have to know some basics. So in this slide we can see the root is A and B is a parent node. D and E are called siblings and they are child node of B. The depth is calculated from the top to bottom and the height is calculated from the bottom to top. So as we are working with a binary search tree, we have to know some things. All the left subtree keys must be lesser than the root. Here in the picture we can see the root is 8 and the left child tree is highlighted with different color. All the values of the left child tree are lesser than 8. Again, the right subtree key must be bigger than the root. Here the root is 8 and the right subtree is highlighted with another color. All the values of the right subtree is greater than the root. The left and the right subtree each must be also a binary search tree. Here the highlighted areas are also fulfilling the true criteria of binary search tree, so it is binary search trees. So again, these highlighted areas are also fulfilling the criteria. So let's start with the main thing. So the parameter of the function will be the root node and a new node, the new node that we wanted to insert. In this case it is 12 and the root node is 8. First of all, we will check if the root node is null or not. In this case it is not null, so we will proceed to the next step. We will compare the 12 with 8. If it is greater than 8, we will visit the right children, or otherwise we will visit the left children. In this case it is greater than 8, so we will visit the right children. Then we will compare again. In this case it is again greater than, so we will visit the right children. Then we will compare again. In this case it is smaller than the parent, so we will visit the left child. Again we will compare and then we will visit the corresponding child. In this case there is no child, so we will put the 12 in that place. So this is how we insert a value in a BST. So let's take another example. In this case the node we want to insert is 5. So first of all, we will check if it has a root or not. So in this case it has a root, so we will compare the value. It is smaller than the root, so we will visit the left child. We will compare again. It is greater than the parent, so we will visit the right child. We will compare again. In this case it is smaller than the parent, so we will visit the left child. Compare again, and it is greater than the parent, so we will visit the right child, but there is no right child, so we will put 5 here. That's how we can insert a value in BST. Thank you very much. I have collected this information from Taharim Khan sir and some websites. Thank you all.